Good afternoon, everybody. This is Miss Cindy. She and I have had a kind of a long and sordid relationship here in the Atkins Dental Clinic. As you can tell, as she lets go of her knuckles and releases them and relaxes them, this has been a very one-sided relationship in terms of which is easier for the other. But Miss Thompson did allow me to perform a mini implant on her, and she has a very descriptive way of giving her end of the experience for it, and I thought I would bring her around and let her share her story with you. Miss Cindy, if you would give us the go.
I'm not a good dental patient. I think there possibly is something in my chart about it because they treat me with kid gloves, and maybe they do that to everybody. But when it came up that this tooth that I had repaired many, many times, consisting of drilling and I think sawing or sanding, there was no other option. I agreed reluctantly to an implant. I came in, had the tooth pulled. That was no big deal. Despite what I thought it would be, it's no big deal. Didn't hurt, did fine with that. Came back from some checkups. I think it was about 3 months later, the dreaded day came that I was going to get the implant. And I will say, if I were in charge of marketing implants, I wouldn't put posters up that showed screws going into the gum. But I had it done. I was amazed. I was so apprehensive, so nervous about it. And when I finished, I knew it was the least offensive thing I have ever had done at this office. So I wanted to share my story with anyone who is as apprehensive as I have been about any procedure. Don't be afraid of the implant. It's, like I said, the least offensive thing you could have done.
And you've gone through the gambit in terms of root canals, crowns, extractions, as you said, and this was by far the easiest.
The easiest thing.
Wonderful.
For sure.
Wonderful. All right. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Ms. Thompson. Thank you for being willing to come in and sit down and share your story.
Okay. I hope I won't be here again for a while.
No offense taken.